one in the PetSmart, and there's two
Pet shelter.
pet shelter. There's two cuties. This one is going to go get like a shot. And this one is available. This
Yeah, the yellow
other
one got adopted. The yellow orange one.
The orange
He's
one.
a frisky kitty.
This orange one loves my mom's legs for no reason, and I don't know. So here's a.
Yeah, smelling your shoes now.
And now smell my shoes. You got. He loves my stinky smell.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe she's a scary
Here's a
cat.
frisky cat.
Yes, but this one is not. When we pet it, aw, look at
He's
him.
so tiny.
He's so tiny. He's just a baby. I don't know how old he is.
2 months.
2 months. This one's still
This one's also 2 months.
months. The other one, what they got, there was 3, but someone else took it and took the sock.
This one's saying, why are you recording me?
Yeah.
Get away from me. It likes my feet, look.
Yeah, it's a feet melon. And
Don't touch it.
why?
Don't touch it. Look, it's licking me. It's licking my pants.
And for no reason, it's just a lick.
Sweet.
Like,
Oh my god, I can feel his tongue. Don't touch it. It is way too cute. Oh, there it goes.
he's an under cute dude.
Yeah.
He's a cutie. Oh my gosh. He's
Oh wait, it likes baby. Look.
Baby, the cat loves you. Oh my gosh,
This one got on top. Wow.
he's a climber.
This one's a flower.
This is actually a condo they buy it from a store. You can pet him because
it's
it's
so
a free
tiny.
pet. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, you are.
Yeah, this one's a doggy.
Okay, who wants that? Who wants it?
Frisky child.
Get it. Who wants it? Who wants it? Okay. I think this dude wants it. Go get it. Get it. Just get it. Okay, he's just a
What is this thing?
He is.
This one can see your shoes in the window.
See my beautiful shoes. Oh yeah, you're just too cute. Oh my gosh. You're too cute. Look, he's just too cute. He's just. Oh my god.
What? It wants your shoes.
It's a kitten.
It's a very curious cat. This one.
This one is a
It's a
really
curious
cute.
kitty.
Okay, guys, this is a cute guy. So that one, no one was petting that one. That one. No
This one's
pet-
asleep.
Yeah. No one likes it.
No, he's just sleepy.
And that one with the gate.
And these other two are the fight.
Yeah, the boxers.
Yeah.
The wrestlers.
The wrestlers. I keep wrestling.
Cutie. He is cute.
It's very cute.
When he comes on the ground, he's cute when he's on the ground. This dude's funny because he loves everybody's shoes. He's a shoe sniffer.
Are you a shoe sniffer? Huh?
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
There's cat food under this table, like it's cool. We got like water here, more food, and
Look, it's gonna come to my legs again.
oh sure.
There we go.
Oh sure. Oh shoppy puppy. Hi cute. Oh, you want me?
Oh, no, there we go again. Oh, he likes my pants.
Look.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
So cutie. Oh,
Chunky monkey. Chunky monkey is frisky. It says you want to play? Let's play. Get that one. Get that orange one. Yeah, let's get the orange. Wait, what?
I think they're gonna fight for it.
No, the other one's very calm and relaxed. This one's frisky. I like the frisky ones.
Which one? The
The
gray?
yellow. The orange one.
Okay.
Look, see? This one's frisky.
Who wants it?
Let it go.
Go get it! You get the toy. Go get it! Yeah, but you play soccer what?
Uh-oh.
You
There it goes.
soccer? He teach your braids.
Yeah, apparently my feet are bridged.
Now he's gonna eat maybe? I don't know. He's gonna eat. I'm gonna sit down. Oh look, he's cute. You know if he's gonna scratch me. If you have a kitten, you need a spawn
You need Neosporin because they scratch.
because they don't know if you hurt them. If you hurt them, they will scratch you. This is just two. The other one's getting a massage
You ready?
on the neck. What?
You ready to go?
Oh no.
There it goes again. Apparently on the bridge. My legs are a bridge and it likes to hide.
Oh gosh. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Who wants to be cute? Yes, you will. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't go to the kitty section.
That was so cute.
I didn't know and then
It snuck up on you.
kitty, cutie.